We have found 3 more videos from Pakistan's Hajira sector in POK that shows Pakistani civilians taking Pakistan Army soldiers to the wreckage of a second JF-17 that was shot down by Indian Air Force. Video taken by eyewitnesses shows the moment the Pakistani pilot ejected and descended with a parachute after the JF-17 was hit by an Indian surface-to-air missile. After India's S-400 air defense system successfully shot down a Pakistani sub-2000 AWACS deep inside Pakistani airspace, Pakistan Air Force is now pressing China to integrate the 400 km range PL-17 anti-AWACS missile for its J-10CE fighter jets, which was scheduled to come equipped on 40 J-35A 5th generation fighters in 2026. Military experts have said that the Indian Air Force will prioritize targeting those Pakistani air bases hosting the J-35A stealth fighter jets to ground the J-35A before they can even be deployed. Adani Defense has successfully delivered limited series produced Mach 6 Rudram 2 hypersonic anti-radiation missile to DRDO's Defense Research and Development Laboratory that is designed to neutralize enemy radar and communication systems with high precision at 350 km range. The Coast Guards of India, Japan, US and Australia have launched the first ever Quad-at-Sea ship observer mission under the Wilmington Declaration. Japan has integrated its Mach 7.2 electromagnetic railgun on JS Asuka experimental ship of the Japanese Navy. SMPP Private Limited has secured twin contracts worth 300 crore rupees from the Indian Army under the emergency procurement procedure for the supply of 27,700 bulletproof jackets and 11,700 advanced ballistic helmets. Indian Army's Zorawar light tank will soon be integrated with a 40 km range loitering munition. Paris Defense has secured a 22 crore rupees deal to supply 30 counter-drone systems to France. The Indian Army is exploring the use of electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft developed by Indian startups for troop transport, logistics, medical evacuation and operations in remote areas. Ahead of Prime Minister Modi's visit to Brazil on 6 July, the Ministry of External Affairs has said that Brazil is interested in Akash missile system, offshore patrol vessels, Scorpion submarine MRO and spare parts, coastal surveillance systems, and the Garuda 105 light artillery gun. Hindustan Aeronautics is evaluating proposals from Sweden, Italy, Germany and Israel, and will soon finalize a major international partnership to co-develop a next-generation indigenous electronic warfare suite for 156 Prachand light combat helicopters. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has asked United States Secretary of Defense to ensure faster deliveries of the long-delayed General Electric F-404 engines for the Tejas Mark 1A fighters on an urgent basis, as well as the early conclusion of the agreement to jointly produce the F-414 engines in India, that has been delayed by over 2 years, and delivery of 6 Apache helicopters to the Indian Army. Russia has promised to deliver the least Akula-class nuclear attack submarine to the Indian Navy by 2028. That was originally scheduled for 2025, but was delayed due to logistical and technical challenges from supply chain disruptions. Interestingly, to compensate for the delay in delivery, Russia has offered to equip the leased submarine with the 3M14K advanced variant of the Kalibr cruise missile that boasts an extended range of 2,000 kilometers, instead of the previously planned 600 kilometers 3M54K missile, enabling the Indian Navy to conduct long-range precision strikes from underwater. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.